Listen to this.
1, 4, 3, 6, 2, 5, and then 1.
Now, listen to this.
You see the difference?
The difference you're hearing is this right here.
Now watch this. The way I play my 1, 4, 3, 6, 2, 5, 1, 1, 4, 3, 6, 2, 5, 1 in the key of C sharp versus the way I play them now. Those are two different ways because of one little simple change. Now stay with me. Before I go to that change, let me explain to you what they call the scale of chords. I'm in the key of C sharp, okay? As you know, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, and 7, and then 1. All right, let me do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then back to 1. Now you can play it the basic way, which is 1, 4, 3, 6, 2, 5, and then 1. Or you can add some little spice into it. You see the difference? Now remember, I am in the key of C sharp. Now, most players would play like this. 1, 4, 3, 6, 2, 5, 1. But you can just add one little thing to it to make it sound pretty interesting and a lot more advanced. And this is very simple. Now, before I go any further, I want you to understand that when you're in the key of C, you have to understand the Nashville. This is the key of C sharp, the Nashville number system, which will help you navigate through chords. And that's the reason why I'm able to do this 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then back to 1. All right, so here's what we're gonna do now. As we dive in deeper into this, I want you to understand that once you do this with the 1, instead of just do 1, I'm gonna do this. See what I did? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. Now, what did I do in the left hand? Look at this. 1, 2, which is this. Then 3, you can do this. Or here this. 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 1. So what happened is that there is something added. I used the second to go to the third. See here? See? See? You do not want to play it like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. But you add this to it. So now you're gonna go with the 1, 4, 3, 6, 2, 5, 1. You're gonna go like that. 1, 4, 3, 6, 2, 5, back to 1. This is a nice progression. See, let me do it again. So what I did is I just do this. Three, 6, 2. I do this. 1, 4, 3, 6, 2, 5. See? Now we just work on, of course it was the key of C sharp. You can do the same thing for the key of D, E flat, E, F, see, 1, 4, 3, 6, 2, 5. So what you need to take from this lesson is, as you're moving from 1, you do this, 4, 3, 6, 2, 5, and then any key, you're gonna move it up to any key that you like. 1, 4, 6, 2, 1, 4, 3, 6, 2, 5, and then 1. All you have to do is just do this. 1, 4, 3, 6, 2, 5, then 1. Okay, I'm not going to do all the 12 keys, but I guess that you get the point. Okay, so do not forget to subscribe, because there's a lot more to learn, and there's a lot of lessons we're gonna go through together. And go back to all my lessons that I go to 736, and I also went to 251. Check all of them, and then now you know how to fix your 1, 4, 3, 6, 2, 5, then 1 chord progression. All right, see you in the next lesson. Do not forget to subscribe.